In a daring armed robbery that took place on the evening of 18th June 2024, four unknown assailants, armed and dangerous, targeted unsuspecting victims, making off with a substantial sum of Rs 80,000, valuable personal documents, and two mobile phones. The brazen crime was committed in broad daylight, leaving the victims shaken and the community on high alert. However, the swift and courageous response of the villagers of Bellongpara, coupled with the prompt intervention of the police, led to a dramatic turn of events. The stolen vehicles, an Aprilia scooty and a Bajaj Pulsar 220, were intercepted and recovered at Bellongpara village, although the riders managed to escape. The police sprang into action, registering a case under Section 392 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 25(1)(a), 1B Arms Act at the Mendipathar police station. The breakthrough came on the 24th of June 2024 with the arrest of Sunil Boro, a 33-year-old resident of Upper Borgum, Assam, who was found in possession of the stolen scooty. The police continued their relentless pursuit, and on the 1st of July 2024, Turti Basumatari, one of the co-accused, surrendered with a semi-automatic pistol and 2 live rounds. This led to the arrest of another suspect, Shahdev Basumatari, near the Assam-Meghalaya border. The police are still searching for Kalturabha, the remaining suspect, and are working tirelessly to recover the stolen items. According to sources, all the accused are habitual offenders with a history of involvement in similar criminal cases in Assam and Meghalaya. The successful apprehension of the suspects is a testament to the combined effort of the police and the community, and a strong message has been sent to criminals that such acts of lawlessness will not be tolerated.